bunnies for okay, let's do that again. Okay, start. Just work with me now. Hey bunnies, for today's video we're going to be talking about this wig that I'm wearing. It is from Sensationnel. It is a lace front wig and it's part of their Empress lace line. I hope I said that right. Yes, Empress lace wig line. Now the wig that I'm wearing is called Amani. I have her in a number 1. It does have a center part. It's 100% synthetic, but it's a premium fiber synthetic, so it's heat resistant up to 400 degrees. Now I got this in my local beauty supply store. It was $34.99, and while I was there I was literally debating, you know, which one should I get. I was so confused by all the options, and then I saw this one stand out and I was like, all right, that's the one, because it gave me this virgin hair vibe. You know, it has this, there's this one company, they have a curl called a Burmese curl. I don't know if it's Snob Mob or if it's what's her name, Ming Lee's the Snob Mob one. Oh my gosh, her name used to be Tease Black Pearls. I can't really forget her name. She also has a hairline. Damn, what's her name? Oh my gosh. Anyways, I think she has a Burmese curly. I'm not sure. Somebody has a Burmese curly, and that's what this reminded me of. I really wanted it in a number 2, but they were sold out. And then, crazy story, they had 1B left, and I ended up letting this other lady get it because she came back and she was upset because the wig she bought didn't have any lace on it. So when I was looking on this, I was like, oh my god, this one is cute, this would look nice on you as well. She's like, all right, let me get that in a 1B. So while she's there, you know, with her 1B, holding her 1B, I'm looking at the other colors because they have a two-tone 350, two-tone burgundy, two-tone 27, and two-tone 30. I do believe they have other colors like silver, and yeah. They also have 613. They have two-tone rose gold, two-tone silver, 4, 6, 13, and two-tone dark teal. Right, so those are the other colors that it comes in, but the only colors I saw were the 27 to 30, the burgundy, and the 350. I was like, all right, I prefer when my roots come down a little bit more. I would have preferred if it was like that, but how it was only like a little bit up top here, and then the rest of it was color. So it's like, all right, let me go with the natural color, and then with the natural colors, they last a lot longer. I noticed on this one, the ends, they have this, you know how most synthetic wigs, it comes like straight on the ends and it looks synthetic. This one looks so natural. But with the colors that I saw, the colors that they're in, it looked matted. I didn't want that look, so I was like, all right, let me get a natural color. The lady had the last 1B. She didn't even care to be like, all right, here, you take the 1B since you wanted it first, and I'll go with the number 1. No, she just left. I'm like, all right, you know what, it's cool, I'll take the number 1. Maybe it was meant to be, whatever. Now this wig, it does have a comb in the back, it has the adjustable straps, it does have 2 combs to the front, and I did slide the 2 combs in the front right here underneath my wig cap. I am wearing a black wig cap, as you'll see in the little clip that I'm showing. I do think a nude or brown cap would look better with the whole scalp part right here, because if you look right here on it, you see how light that is? That's my skin, and then the rest of it is a lot darker. You might want to go in and tweeze this a little bit. I chose not to. I really don't usually customize my synthetic wigs that much. It did come with the baby hairs, so I tried to, you know, slick them down a little bit. I did use my Got To Be Glue gel, and I used the Got To Be Glue free spray. It is still a little bit wet. It's drying right now. So this is what it looks like when you know, initially do it. And I use the whatchamacallit, the edge brush to do it. I left literally the smallest amount of lace on the wig still, and then because it does have the baby hairs, it is kind of plucked right here in the front, so you don't have to do the whole baby hair look. You can always brush everything back and then just, like, you know, gel it down completely. But I wanted to try something different, and that is what we have here. The length is nice, the texture is super soft, literally what you imagine this feeling like, it feels like, okay? Like, it's giving me Tiana Taylor vibes, my Super Sweet 16 Tiana Taylor. That's the vibes I'm getting from this wig. I absolutely love it. My inner diva is quaking right now, okay? Like this, shook. Love this. The length I want to say is about an 18 or 20 inch, but you know, because it's curly, it's a little bit short, so it shrink up. So when you stretch it, it comes down to like my waist. So can I jump so you can see? And then I'm wearing black, so you can't even see, but it comes down to my waist. So I want to say it's about a 20, could be a 22, but let's say a 20 inch for the length. And then yeah, that's the back. And I hope I'm not muffled while I'm talking, but this is the back. This is the wig. Again, it's a number 1. Her name is Amani. I hope I said that right. It's by Sensational. I over love this wig. I'm happy that I took the time to look around my beauty supply store, and yeah, 10 out of 10 would recommend. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.